Just want to make a quick video right here. I'm out here cooking on my Lane 48 on my stick burner. This right here, I think, is what gets a lot of backyard guys confused. You naturally see your fire and your offset firebox going, and you naturally get scared and you start choking off stuff, choking off your dampers. No, ma'am. No, sir. That's a good thing. See at the bottom? That's a cold bed developing. That's what you want. So when you take a piece of wood and throw it in there, you're good. You're going to get natural combustible heat from the bottom coming up to that wood. That's going to give you good heat and good smoke to flavor your barbecue. And you ain't going to get no white smoke or no white black smoke coming out your stack. That's what you want to see. My cooking temperature tonight is 295. All I got to do is simply close that firebox. My stack is good. You can see I got a natural haze of blue smoke coming out of that natural heat. And right now my pit is looking at about 250. I just closed it. So what's gonna happen is it's gonna choke his way down to about 295 or 300, which is perfect cooking temperature for what I'm trying to do tonight, which is briskets and beef ribs. Cooking on the lane. So don't get confused, man. Flame is your friend. All you gotta simply do is cut back on your dampers right here a little bit, and that thing will smooth its way on into the cooking temperature that you want. But you got to develop a bed of coals first. If you don't develop a bed of coals, you'll fight this fire all night, and you'll never get that pit get that metal on that pit heated up enough to maintain you throughout a cook. So just remember, flame is your friend. Let it burn its way out. Develop you a bed of coals. Close your firebox, and it'll naturally run just like a steam engine on a train. You won't have to fight it all night. Just a little tip. Feeling I'll be good. Like I'm in the mood to do a little teaching tonight. All right. My cold bed has burned down. If you look down there, I got my cold bed. I just threw that piece of wood on there. Like I said, it's gonna combust. I'm about to close it up, let it do what it do. But when I come over here, look where I'm sitting at, just where I want it to be. 295, 300, just like I said. When I open up this lane, we got ribs, beef ribs and pork ribs in here. Just a few of them. But that's it. Moral of the story, burn them coals down, and you will not fight this fire all night. Have a good one.